All right, you can see here I got some, these are vintage Justin boot, and it's the alligator skin. Really nice boots, but you can see how dusty they are. They are not in the best of shape. They definitely need some conditioning on these. But anyway, stick with me all the way to the end if you can, if you have time. All right, here I start here, just mounting the boots. But yeah, these boots were in pretty rough shape. They just needed a lot of moisture put back into the skin. All right, first what I'm going to do is use a horsehair brush, just knock off a lot of the surface dust. I have several horsehair brushes. I use them all for the same thing, so you'll see me using this brush quite often on just knocking off surface dust. All right, now here's the saddle soap. A lot of people have asked if it's okay to use saddle soap on alligator, crocodile, lizard, hornback lizard, caiman crocodile. You can. The trick is you want to get it off there relatively fast. You don't want the saddle soap to dry on there, so you'll see me remove it pretty quick. But this stuff works great, along with the horsehair dauber brush, to get inside all the crevices and everything like that. Doing the uppers here, the uppers didn't really look that bad, but it was a calf leather. Sometimes you'll see goat leather as an upper as well. A lot of Lucchese boots uses goat leather, but saddle soap works great. There are a lot of crevices in these boots, and that saddle soap does a great job on getting in there, putting some moisture back in that leather. All right, here I'm using Repton by Saphir. This stuff is great. It's really good for doing exotic skins, like any type of reptile, caiman crocodile, hornback lizard. This stuff works really good. I've tried a lot of different conditioners. I'm going to put links on all my videos. I've been working on it. So depending on when you see this video, check out the links below. I'm going to put some affiliate links to where I will get a commission on it if you buy them. But just keep an eye out for the links if anybody wants to use some products that I do recommend. All right, here I am using Renovator cream conditioner. This works on just about every leather, but I love this stuff. Use this on calf leather, a lot of dress shoes, all the Allen Edmonds, I mean, you name it. I use this conditioner a lot. All right, what I'm doing here is I'm knocking off any of the buildup from the conditioners. You'll notice you'll get a lot of buildup from the Repton. So yeah, I'm knocking that off, but I'm not using a horsehair brush. This is a pig hair brush. It's a little bit stiffer of bristles, but this stuff works great. Highly recommend getting a brush like this. But it really gets in all those crevices and removes any of the buildup. All right, this step, what I'm doing is I'm using a black cream polish, and I'm putting a very, very thin layer of cream polish on these boots. You don't want to put a lot on alligator or crocodile or even lizard. You just want to keep it very minimal, to where there's going to be some times where you need to put some color back into that dye. Because when you wear boots for a long time, just normal wear and tear, scuffing will scuff into that dye, and this is a good way to put the pigment back into the color. A little goes a long ways. And here I am using my horsehair brush that I use for black shoe polish. All right, and the last step, what I'm going to be doing here is just doing a high friction buff. This puts a really nice shine on these boots, and this was a night and day difference. And if you guys want to stick all the way to the end and see the finished product, please do. And like I said, depending on when you look at this video, I will be getting some links up. It's taken me a long time to get everything set up, but I'm going to be back at it. I'm going to be cleaning and shining shoes. I'm back in the game. All right, thanks for watching.